Hello children, I welcome you all to the math class. So children, today the day is Wednesday and today is 21st of July 2021. So let us see what we are going to do today. So before that, let us see the thought for the day today. So the thought says, education is the most powerful weapon and which can use to change the world. So children, if you are well educated, if you study well, you will be surely a well educated person, and it is the most powerful weapon because you can change the entire world through your education. So children, let us see now what we are going to do for today. So in today's class, we will continue with chapter 4, addition and subtraction. We will do today exercise 8, number 2 and number 3, which is in page number 66. For that, you need to take out your book and copy. So get ready with your book and your copy too. Okay. So children, this is the first sum which is in page number 66 in exercise 18. So you will first write classwork. Write the classwork. Yes. You will write date in your copy. You will write today's date. Today's date is 21/7/21. Yes. So next you will write exercise number okay. Now we will start number 2, subtraction. So you have to subtract so you will write subtract. So number A, question number A is you have to subtract 28 from 136. 28 from 136. So what you will do, you will first write 136 and you will write minus 28. So you can do this sum easily. Yes. What you will do now, 136 minus 28 you will do in the next line. Otherwise we can do one thing. You just leave a dash here and in the next line you can write 136 minus 28. So here I will write 6. Yes, because here I will borrow 1 from 3 and 3 will be 2, and 16 minus 8, you know it is 8. 2 minus 2 is 0 and 1 minus 0 is 1. So the answer we got is 108. So 108 you will write in the answer. So answer is 108. We have done a lot of subtraction sums, so it won't be any difficult for you. Yes. Now number B. Let us do number B. You have to subtract 245 from 382. Yes. So what you will write? It is written 245 from 382. So 382, that means 382 minus 245. So now you will write, you will leave one line and you will start subtracting 382 minus 245. Yes, you will subtract it. We know that we can't subtract 5 from 2 because 2 is small, so we will borrow 1. So 8 will be 7 and this will be 12. Yes, because 8 is giving its 1 to 2. So 12 minus 5 is 7. 7 minus 4 is 3 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So what did the answer I got? We got 137 is the answer. So hope you all understood it. I have done A and B. I will do C also for you. So the question of C is 675. Let me do it down. The question of C is 675 from 2105. 2105. So what does it mean? It means we have to subtract 675 from 2105. So what I will write first? Yes, I will write 2105 minus 675. So let me subtract here. 2105. You will do in the same manner like A and B. Okay, I have done here, but you will do below the sum only. So minus, we know that 675. So you will write 5 in the ones position, 7 in the tens position, and 6 in the hundreds position. It is not that you will start from 6. So in this way you will see the place value of the number which you all know, and you will subtract the sum. So 5 minus 5 is 0, we know. 0, we can't subtract 7 from 0. So we will bring 1 from this one. So it will be 0 and it will be 10. Yes, 10 minus 7 is 3. Again we can't subtract 6 from 0. So this 2 will borrow its 1 to this. So it will be 10 minus 6, 4 and 1. So our answer will be 1430. So children, in this manner you will do number. I have done A and B for you. You A, B and C for you. You will do number D, E and F yourself. Hope it is clear to you all. Okay children, so next let us move to the next sum. Here also thing is same, but you have to subtract the numbers. First you have to, the numbers are given in words. Okay, you have to convert the number in the numeral form. Then after you have to subtract it. So 238 from 550. I will not write question. I will directly write the numbers. First you convert 238. So what it will be? 2, 3, 8. 238 from 3, you can see 550. So how you will write 550? You will write 550, 550. Now the process is same. We have done already 550 minus 238. Yes. Now you will subtract it. 550 minus 238. You leave one line and you first subtract it below. Minus 238. So we can't subtract 8 from 0. So this will be, it will borrow 1. So this will be 10. Minus 8 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. And 5 minus 2 is 3. Yes. So our answer is 312. So here you will write 312. The answer is 312. I hope you all are clear. Now next, number B also I will do for you. C and D you will do it yourself. Number B, 6027. Now 6000, there is nothing in 100 position, so it will be 0 and 27. I have converted it into numerals from, what is another number? Another number is 9400. So it is easy. 9000. There is no number, no words for in tens position and ones position. So there will be 00. So 9400. So next you will do the sum. 9400 minus 6027. So you will leave one line and you will start subtracting. 9400 minus 6027. You will see the place value and you will solve the sum. So we know that we can't subtract 7 from 0, so this will give its 1. Yes, and it will be 10 minus 7 will be 3. It has 4 has already given its 1 to make it 10, so 4 will be 3. So 9 minus 2 is 7, 3 minus 0 is 3, and 9 minus 6 is 3. So our answer is 3,373. So children, I have done A and B for you. C and D you will do it yourself. C is 3,195 from 7,047. So you can do it. You have to first convert it into the numerals. After that you have to subtract it simply. Same goes with number D, 468. 468 from 1002, that is 1002. So you will do C and D by yourself. So children, I will see you in the next class. Hope whatever we did today is clear to you all. If there is any confusion, you can contact me, okay? So thank you everyone.